In this video, we're going to be looking at how to log in to SmartRecruiters, as well as review the different settings you can select for your profile. When you are added as a user to SmartRecruiters, you'll receive an email invitation that provides you with instructions on how to create your password. Once you've created your password, you may have to verify your email, in which case the system will send the verification. Once you click the link in the verification email, you will be brought right into SmartRecruiters. If you're ever logged out of SmartRecruiters and need to sign in again, go to smartrecruiters.com/account/sign-in and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your password and you're not using SSO, you can click the Forgot Password link located under the email field, and this will send an email to reset your password. You're going to click the Next button, and now you can enter your password. If you're using single sign-on, you won't be prompted for a password, and depending on how your system is set up, you might only have to enter your email address, which will be recognized by your SSO, and you'll go right into the system. Once you're logged in, to view your user settings, click on the My Profile icon on the top right corner of the page and select Settings from the dropdown. We'll be reviewing the options under the My Account and My Purchases area at the top of the settings page. You'll see additional company settings on this page as well, but unless you are an admin or a user with a custom role that allows some admin access, these links will be restricted. In the My Purchases section, you can see any of your current job board orders, credits, and payment methods. Since this is a training account, I don't have anything set up here, but if you've purchased job board postings or assessments from our marketplace, those orders and credits will be found in this section. Under the My Account section, the first option is My Profile. On this page, you can enter your personal information, such as your name, position, and contact information, as well as the option to have your name appear on any job ads you post. At the bottom of the page, you can select your preferred language, as well as your time zone, which is important to have set when it comes to scheduling interviews and timing the delivery of emails. Lastly, you can deactivate your SmartRecruiters account by clicking the Deactivate Account button, and this action cannot be undone. Next is the Login and Password page, where you can change your login email and password. If you're using single sign-on, this page will not be available in the settings. The Email Preferences page is where you can choose what emails and alerts you want to receive from the system, depending on what your hiring team role is on a job. For example, you may decide that if you are a hiring manager on a job, you want to receive an email when new candidates are moved into the offer stage. But if you are a coordinator or an interviewer on a job, you don't need to get those emails, so you would leave those boxes unchecked. There are 5 sections of different types of emails you can receive, so it is important to review these sections to make sure you are receiving the emails that are most important to you. On the Delegate Approvals page, you can assign another user to make job or offer approvals on your behalf if you're going to be away for a period of time. For example, I'm going to be on vacation for a week, so I need to delegate any approvals I might receive to another user so that the approval process doesn't get delayed. I'm going to enter the start and end dates of my vacation and then select the user who will receive the approvals. Once you click the Create Delegation button, that user will receive any approvals that are sent to me during that time period. The delegation will end after the end date has passed, or if you want to stop the delegation before the end date, you can come back to this page and click the End Now button. Next is the My Searches page, where you can view and edit any saved searches you've created. Clicking on a saved search will take you to the People page, where the search will be pre-populated and you can review applicants. Next to each saved search is the number of new applicants within that search, as well as the options to add it to the Searches section of your SmartRecruiters homepage, edit the name of the search, or delete it. On the Search History tab, you can view a list of when your searches were last run. Finally, the My Integrations page will show you what integrations are available for you to connect to, and the status icon will let you know what integrations you currently have enabled. Thank you for watching this video on how to log into SmartRecruiters and how to set your personal preferences.